Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss the term invective. Introduction. Invective as a literary device involves denouncing a person or character by using derogatory epithets and language. It serves as a means of expressing strong disapproval, criticism, or contempt towards the subject. The use of invective is common in various forms of literature, including drama, poetry, and prose. It allows authors to convey their emotions and opinions about characters or real-life individuals in a forceful and memorable manner. Shakespeare's example. One notable example of invective is found in William Shakespeare's play Henry I, Act 4, where Prince Hal refers to corpulent character Falstaff with a series of derogatory names. This sanguine coward, this bed presser, this horseback breaker, this huge hill of flesh. In this context, the invective serves a dual purpose. On one hand, it characterizes Falstaff in a harsh and demeaning manner, highlighting his physical traits and perceived shortcomings. On the other hand, there is an undertone of affection between Prince Hal and Falstaff as friends who engage in playful banter and name-calling as a sign of their close relationship. John Dryden's perspective. In his discourse concerning satire, John Dryden discusses the effectiveness of invective compared to irony as a means of disparagement. He notes that while it may be easy to directly call someone a rogue or villain in a witty manner, it is far more challenging to subtly portray a person as a fool, blockhead, or knave without resorting to explicit derogatory terms. Dryden emphasizes the finesse required to deliver a sharp criticism that leaves the target exposed, yet still maintains a degree of detachment. Conclusion. Invective as a literary device plays a significant role in expressing strong disapproval and criticism in literary works. Writers like Shakespeare and Dryden have skillfully employed invective to characterize their subjects with powerful and memorable language. While Shakespeare's use of invective in Henry IV reflects a close relationship and affection between the characters, John Dryden's analysis highlights the challenges and artistry involved in employing invective effectively. The use of invective in literature adds depth and complexity to character portrayals and allows writers to engage readers on an emotional level. When used skillfully, invective can leave a lasting impact on the audience, provoking thought and discussion about the characters and themes explored in the literary work. So this was the discussion about the term invective. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us.